Welcome to the part 1 of the video where I show you how I go to part my hair for bob twist braids, and I'm hoping that you're going to find this video helpful and easy to follow. And if you will, please let me know in the comment section down below. I will start by parting the back as I work my way towards the front section. Okay, so I started off by just applying some braiding gel, and this is by Bumpsy. You can choose any braiding gel of your choice. Okay, so after applying some gel, it will help me to just slick the hair, because again I didn't get to blow dry the hair. Okay, so I'll just go ahead with my parting comb and I'm going to part my hair just like so, and then take some braiding gel again, and we're going to apply it where I've parted the hair, and we're going to clean that out. Okay, so for the first row we're going to have 2 boxes, and I'm going to use elastic bands to secure the hair. Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Jenna Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So loves, I'm making big sections because I just wanted to have a very easy and simple quick hairstyle. Okay, like I've mentioned, I'm going to have some big twist, and that will be on the next video, so just stay tuned. And I'm going to show you a very detailed tutorial on the part 2 of the video. I'll show you a detailed tutorial on how I got to do the bob twist. Okay, so loves, we have 3 boxes for the second row. Okay, so moving on to the third row, we're just doing the same thing. Okay, so you want to partition your hair depending on how big or small your braids or twists are going to be. Okay, so just like I've mentioned, I'm going to have some big twist, meaning my parting should be big. I'm hoping that you're going to learn a thing or two by the end of the video, and if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below. So on to our third row, we're going to have 4 boxes, 2 on each side. And remember, the first row we had 2 boxes, the second row we had 3. So on to the third row now, we're going to have 4 boxes. Hope you're taking notes. So loves, parting my hair took me about 45 minutes and I was done, and that was because I was recording and all that stuff. But if I was just to do everything without shooting, then it will have taken me less time. Okay, we are going to have 4 boxes again onto the last row, and I'm hoping that you guys have found this video easy to follow, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and to your family, and just like I normally say, I will truly appreciate all your support. So this was it for today's video. Stay tuned for part 2, where I show you guys a detailed video on how I got to achieve bob twist. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.